In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply with one click on Glassdoor. If you want to speed through job applications without sacrificing accuracy, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. First, log into your Glassdoor account and make sure your profile is fully updated. That means your job title, location, work experience, and any key skills should be correct. For the fastest experience, sync your Glassdoor account with Indeed. Many easy apply listings on Glassdoor use Indeed's backend to process applications, so syncing helps your information autofill more reliably and reduces friction. Next, head into your profile settings and upload your latest resume. Use a clean, digital-friendly format like PDF or Word. Name the file clearly and keep it concise and scannable. This ensures your resume is ready for immediate submission without formatting issues. Now go to the Jobs tab and search for the role and location you want. Once your results load, use the filters and select Easy Apply, or look for listings marked Apply with one click. This filter removes jobs that force you off-site, so you can stay in the one-click flow. Before we continue, quick note. I've placed the Glassdoor website link and the official mobile app download links right at the top of the description to make this even easier to follow. If you prefer applying on your phone, the app supports instant job matches and quick easy apply submissions with just a few taps. When you find a role you like, click the Easy Apply button next to the listing. A pop-up will appear, usually pre-filled with your contact information and your resume. Review everything briefly, answer any short questions the employer included, and then click Submit Application. That's your one-click process done. To move fast at scale, filter by recent postings. Ideally the last 3 days, so you're among the first applicants. Early submissions stand out in high-volume easy apply pipelines. If you're short on time, use the Save button to build a mini queue, then return and apply to all of them in one sitting. A quick heads up, if the button says Apply Now instead of Easy Apply, it will redirect you to the company's website, which means it's not a one-click application. And because Easy Apply is so quick, expect higher competition. Keep your resume crisp, your profile up to date, and apply early to maximize your chances. That's it for today. Check the links at the top of the description, and good luck with your applications. Thanks for watching.